Hello, my name's Dr. Simon Raybould. Welcome to the Presentation Genius channel. And if you never make presentations because you do all of your work online, then click away now, save me some time and save you some money. Still here? Fantastic. Because if you're still here, this is the place you need to be in March. We're going to cover the tools, tips, tricks, techniques and tactics you need to make better presentations. We won't make you stand at the front of the room and embarrass yourself because that's just bad karma for everybody. Here's the deal. You know that watching a zillion videos is not going to make you the genius presenter. Reading a zillion books is not going to make you a genius presenter. And I say this having written bestsellers, and I say this having released 100 YouTube videos. What you need is face-to-face training. This is the place. The place to go online is presentationgenius.eventbrite.co.uk. One more time, presentationgenius.eventbrite.co.uk. And I will see you there.